Good morning 11th students. Lesson number 3. Our next topic is for the lesson number 3 part 7. Part 8. Periodic trends in chemical property. Yesterday we discussed all the physical properties up to electronegativity. Okay. Now we are starting our next topic, that is chemical properties. So what is chemical properties? Periodic trends in chemical properties such as diagonal relationship, inert pair, effects of lengthenite contraction, etc. will be dealt with along with the discussion of each group in later. But here we will study the periodicity of the valence state shown by element and the anomalous properties of the group number 2 period elements from lithium to fluorine. So this is in your course only. We will discuss that. Other properties we will discuss in later chapters. Now we are starting our first topic, that is periodicity of valence or oxidation state. Okay. Now it can be understand by electronic configuration. I taught you already in the beginning of the lesson number 2 how you are making the electronic configuration according to their atomic number. The valence of representative element is usually equal to the number of electrons in the outermost orbital and are equal to 8 minus the number of outermost electrons. Oxidation state is frequently used for valence. Means valence shell number. Yesterday also in the electronegativity chapter, again I am repeating the same trend. In our course we are having from lithium to fluorine. So you are knowing hydrogen first, helium second, that is first period. Second period you are in course, we are discussing that lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9. Okay. Again I am discussing the valence shell. See, hydrogen 1s1, helium 1s2, lithium 1s2, 2s1. This one is 1s2, 2s2. So I am not going to repeat these 4 again. 1s2, 2s2, then you are starting with 2p1, 2p2, 2p3, 2p4 and 2p5. I discussed in the metallic character that in outermost orbit the number of electrons are here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6 and here 7 in fluorine. Okay. So rather than getting, they are metals and they are non-metals. I taught you already in the physical properties. Rather than getting 7 electrons, minus means getting, plus means losing. They will easily lose. Group first easily lose 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4 electron, 5 electron, 6 electron and 7 electron. So here they easily lose 1, 2 and 3. I discussed in the ionization energy also. I taught you catenation property of carbon plus 4. It can lose or it can gain. Okay, so this is the medium one. So for nitrogen, it is hard to lose 5, rather than they will get minus 3 and complete their octet. Oxygen also, they will get minus 2 rather than losing 6. Rather than losing 7, they will easily get minus 1. So here they are having the trend minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and here plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3 and plus 4. In this way you can understand easily the next topic. After that fluorine, that neon complete octet 10, then sodium 11, yani 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. Easily they will lose electrons. Now we are understanding with one example that shown in your here. Okay. On this page only. On this page. You can see the periodicity in group also. Group में number of valence electron. First group, the outermost orbit 1. Second group, outermost orbit 2. So their valency is 2. outermost orbit 3, outermost orbit 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 they have shown, and they have shown the valency 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Okay, now I am showing you one, making you understanding one example. See, consider the two oxygen containing compounds. We are discussing one example. Order of electronegativity, one is OF2, another is Na2O. Okay, now we will see oxygen, fluorine and sodium. So order of electronegativity is fluorine is higher electronegativity, group 7 -1, so they are higher electronegative. Afterwards oxygen electronegativity -2, so fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen, and this is not electronegative, they are easily losing. So in this order you make. Afterwards I am showing you fluorine EC 2s2 2p5 share one electron with the oxygen in OF2 molecule. Okay, outermost orbit they need -1, so it will share one electron with oxygen in OF2 molecule. Now oxygen EC 2s2 2p4, here I showed you, shares 2 electrons with the fluorine atom and exhibit oxidation state +2. How +2 I will explain you. See, this is oxygen, this is 2 fluorine, that is OF2, this is OF2. Okay, less electronegativity than fluorine, so oxygen is oxidation is +2. How? See, fluorine out 1 2 pair, you have to make the pair of the electrons, because like that they are arranging, so we have to show in the pair only. Fluorine 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 I am keeping here. Okay, 1 2 3 pairs and 7 here 6, see, +6, so 1 pair 2 pair and third pair, so third pair is going to share. See, again I am explaining, 1 pair 2 pair, third pair oxygen 6, fluorine 7, 1 pair 1 pair 1 pair, here also 1 pair 1 pair 1 pair, 6 and 1 and 1, so they will share. So this is more electronegative, so it shares 2 electrons. Okay, so oxidation state of oxygen here is +2. Now our next example is Na2O. Oxygen being more electronegative accepts 2 electrons, one from each of 2 sodium atoms, and shows oxidation state -2. So in that example it was having +2, here -2. How you can show like that? Sodium 2 and oxygen 1, otherwise oxygen, sodium and sodium. Now how I am explaining again. Oxygen 6, 1 pair you can show here. Sodium you have to show only one in outermost orbit, 1s2, see, 1s2 2s2 2p6, then 3s1 I am showing here. So 2 electrons from oxygen will share. Okay, so oxygen is having more electronegative, so it will attract towards oxygen. Okay, so it will easily lose and it will easily gain. More electronegative than atom sodium, so oxygen -2 accepts. Sodium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1 loses 1 electron to oxygen and gives oxidation state +1 sodium. So oxidation state of an element can be defined as the charged acquired by its atom on its basis of electronegative concentration from atom in the molecule. So here oxygen is having -2 valence and sodium is having +1 valence. There in that example, F2O, F -1 and oxygen +2. Okay, now we are following our next problem, that is problem 3.8. Using the periodic table, Predict the formulas of compounds which might be formed by the following pairs of elements: silicon and bromine, aluminum and sulfur. Okay, now you see the periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic table. We have to make the pair. First of all, I am making the pair with silicon and bromine. See, silicon is group 14 element with a valence. Silicon is group 14 element with a valence of 4. Silicon 14, carbon के नीचे, so valence is +4. With a valence of 4, bromine belongs to the halogen family. We are not seeing the atomic number, but it comes to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, fluorine, chlorine, and then bromine. So group 17. So easily -1. Okay. Hence the formula of the compound formed would be C4 Si plus 4 Br. So it will share 4. So Si Br 4. See, Si Br 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 Br. Okay, again I am showing you silicon plus 4. So they are having 4 electron. So it will share 4 minus 1 bromine. So their formula is SiBr4. Okay. Now next, from aluminum and sulfur. See, aluminum belongs to group 13. And sulfur comes lower than oxygen, 16. Aluminum 13 with a valence of 3. So aluminum valence of 3, lower than oxygen, so valence then -2. So Al 3 side you can show. Okay, and sulfur -2. So sulfur -2. So -2 will come here, Al. And S, it's +3 and -2. So it will go there and it will go there. So Al2 and S3. In this way, see, Al +3 plus Si -2. So it will be Al2 will come here and 3 will come here. So formula will be Al2S3. Okay, so I am showing you some periodic trends observed in the valence of elements. Hydrides and oxides are shown in table 3.9. Other such periodic trends which occur in the chemical behavior of the elements. See, I will show you lithium outermost orbit +1 and hydrogen -1. So lithium hydride. Sodium +1, hydrogen -1. +1s are coming ahead. KH, potassium hydride. In group 2, calcium hydride. So in this way you can see formula of hydrides and oxides in this table. In the next lecture I will discuss luminous properties of second period elements.